Ever dreamed of saving money on your car insurance just for being a good driver? Today, we're diving deep into Geico Driveeasy and cracking the code on how to achieve that ultimate driving score. The Driveeasy program actively monitors your driving habits using your smartphone. Think of it as a digital driving coach, but one that rewards you. The core of this system is the scoring, and the big question is, what's the highest score you can get? The perfect score with Driveeasy is a perfect 100, but remember this, it's not just about getting to 100. It's about maintaining excellent driving habits. Driveeasy monitors for key factors: smooth braking, speed, your phone usage, and acceleration patterns. Demonstrating good habits in these metrics consistently contributes to your overall score. Each trip you take gets evaluated, and your score gets updated. The more consistently you drive safely, avoiding things like hard braking and speeding throughout your drive, the higher your score will become over time. The higher your Driveeasy score, the bigger your potential discount on your car insurance. Remember, savings potential varies, so always check with Geico. So, drive smart, stay safe, and potentially unlock some serious savings with Geico Driveeasy. Thanks for watching.